Hello everyone, and welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to calculate the product of values inside an array. This means multiplying all numeric values together while ignoring any non-numeric data. Let's dive into the details and build this function step by step. In many JavaScript projects, we work with arrays that contain mixed data types. Sometimes, we want to multiply only the number, ignoring anything else. This is handy for statistical calculations, mathematical apps, and even games. Now, let's look at how the function works. This function checks if the input is an array first. Then it loops through the array and multiplies only the numeric inputs, the numeric elements into total. Non-numeric values are then skipped using the isNaN check. In the end, the function returns the product of all valid numbers. First, the function checks the type of the input to make sure it is an array. We then start total at 1 since multiplying by 1 has no effect on the result. For it, then for each element, if it is numeric, we multiply it into the total. When the loop finishes, we simply return the product. These examples show how the function handles different data. If the array contains only numbers, we multiply them all together. If it has non-numeric elements like a, we skip them. This keeps our result clean and avoids any errors from bad data. Calculating products is a common in finance, science, and gaming. For example, might multiply growth factors, track sale trends, or analyze simulation data. This approach also makes your code resilient to messy inputs. It is a practical tool you can reuse in many projects. And that's how you calculate the product of array values in JavaScript. We handled invalid data cleanly by skipping non-numeric elements. The function is simple, efficient, and reliable. Try it out in your next project and make sure your calculations are solid. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.